Yeah, man. Here, Scotty. Back on the scene today, once again from Santa Fe Dam and Rec area. And I'm flying with the Gray Bird, the Eagle One, the Air 2S. Now, before we get going, I couldn't help but notice that on the tree out on the island in front of me, as we zoom in full magnification, you see birds perched on the tree limbs, black birds on one set of limbs and the white birds on the other. A little bird lake segregation, I guess. Make of that what you will. But today, we're flying out over the lake, and we're going to do a little bit of inspection at the dam area and check out the flooding. So let's get this flight mission up and underway. The bird is up. Had just a little bit of drift. Let me check my I need to check my settings. No. That's better. All right. I think we are all set now. 92% battery. Half stick. We're off, flying through the air with the greatest of ease. We won't disturb the birds. Full sticks. And we're off. We're going to get up to a cruising altitude of 80 meters, and we are there. And let's fly the bird on out toward the dam. So at this point, I'd like to welcome you aboard, Air Scotty. This is your captain speaking. We're flying with the Indy 64 polarized filter on board. It's about 68 degrees from where I'm situated, moderate breeze, and we're flying 14.2 meters per second in normal mode, so we're not being hampered much at all by the light winds. And we're fast approaching 1 kilometer from launch point. You see the crater coming into view. We've explored that extensively. We'll do just a flyover. I've learned that is a rock quarry. So yes, that has been excavated for material. Not only for the dam wall, it turns out, but also apparently, the material has been used in the building of most of the freeways in the area. As we fly over the crater, you get views of the bottom there. But let's continue on our way. You see the 210 freeway straight ahead. And let's spin her towards the dam. And it looks like we're in FPV mode, so my settings have gotten really jumbled. Well, as it turns out, this is going to be an FPV flight. We're flying alongside the 210 now. And there you see the dam. Let's hover there. Look at all that water pouring out of there. Let's see if we can correct our flight mode. Yeah, we're in FPV. Okay, so all my settings got reset since the last time I've flown with the RC Pro. We're back in follow me mode now, my preferred flight mode. Look at the water pouring out at Santa Fe Dam. These storms have been massive. I've heard the drought has been reduced to below those red exceptional drought and extreme drought levels, down to moderate drought, and in some places the reservoirs are full again or nearly full. I've heard, especially up north, central California, northern California. Let's descend just a bit. Look at that water pouring out of there. Do a little sideways flying. We're at 68% battery already. We're at 66 meters altitude, and we're just shy of 1.5 miles from launch point as we see the water pouring at Santa Fe Dam. I guess all that snowpack is melting. Never seen it like this here. And here is bird life. We got fishermen and their families out here. Kids on skateboards. And there is water aplenty at the dam area today. We got gold bars. let's elevate. Get up to 95 meters. We're there. %55 battery. Flight got off to a little bit of a bumpy start due to my settings being off unexpectedly. We're flying full stick now. We're back into the white, 95 meters. And so let's survey the flooding in the area. And you can see that area of the dam is flooded. %48 battery. We're taking the circuitous route, making our way home. We're flying full stick, but only 11.5 meters per second, so we are having some wind resistance out there. As we approach the flooded corner of the dam area, you can see the flooding below. It's flooded out there. That's normally dry ground. We're down to 39% battery, so we're going to start making our way home. We're over a mile away. As we survey the flooding on the way in, we've picked up speed now in this direction. Look at all that flooding out there. Let's bring her down just a bit. Get a closer view. 65 meters. Look at that flooding out there. Really flooded in that corner. %31 battery. Let's angle the bird on home as we fly over the flooded area. I'm situated by the island there in the lake. Let's bring her on in. hear her coming. There she is. Come on down, my bird. Welcome back. Welcome back, birdie. So at this point, I'd like to thank you again for flying Air Scotty. This is your captain speaking. Prepare for landing. The bird is down, down, down. Yes, she's down. That will wrap up this flight from Santa Fe Dam and Rec Area. It is Air Scotty with the Air 2S. Until next time, my folks, one love.